on. Come here. Are you sneezing? What happened to you? What happened? What happened, Tiger? Do you have allergies?
What's wrong with him? He's been sneezing like that for the last half hour.
I don't know. Tiger, what's wrong? Tiger, are you done? Are you done sneezing? Bless you.
Are you gonna puke or sneeze?
Bless you. Okay, are you good now? Oh my goodness. Okay, are you good? All done? All done? All done? Yeah? Okay. Oh! What you doing? Okay, are you done? Are you done? Are you good? Okay. Oh.
Bless you.
No, it's done.
Now look at my